Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making the best sweet and spicy ribs you would have ever tasted. But enough talking and let's get cooking. The ingredients will be in the description.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Before you make the marinade, I recommend making slightly more to save some for when the ribs are finished cooking in the oven. Or you can go back and make the marinade again after the ribs are cooked. I already added the lemon juice to the mortar. Also, adding the sweet chili sauce isn't needed, but you can if you have some. Time to add the marinade to the ribs. If you made more marinade, then you can save some from the end when searing, or you can make the marinade again, your choice. Place the ribs in the fridge for at least 24 to 48 hours.
Dynamite, drop.
Make sure to use a baking tray that can be covered with a lid or foil. Place in the oven and slow cook the ribs on 165 degrees for 2 hours or until they are falling off the bone. As you can see, I made the marinade again. Just go back and follow everything I did previously.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find.
Now the ribs are finished. Time to sear them in a hot pan and coat them with the marinade.
Let the sun go down.
You don't need to use a griddle pan, but you can if you want to. Anyways, wait for the pan to heat up and place your ribs on and follow as I go.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was sold. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear.
Now we are done. I hope you did like this recipe. Please like, comment and share. To make sure you don't miss out on any future videos, you can also turn on post notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.